in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe and ideas and tips. Anyway, if you want me to make you, I will make it. Alright? I got some lentil and I got some chopped tomato at the moment. Do you want me to make you a lovely healthy drink, healthy recipe, healthy soup? Lentil soup, guys. If you want me to make you, please write it below. The reason why we are talking about soup now, the weather is changing. You know what I mean? This morning I was cold. You know what I mean? So the weather is changing and I recognize the day is hot, but in the morning is very cold. So do you want me to make you some lentil soup? Lentil and tomato together. Really nice and fantastic, guys. And you know what I mean, I know you guys like that one, and you know what I mean, if you want me to make it, and definitely I can make it, so please write it below. If you get at least 5 person request it, I will definitely make that one, because you know what I mean, this is just to fill the gap with the funds them. So anyway, not even if 5, you know what I mean, I will make it anyway still, but please subscribe, like and share and tell a friend. You know, man, the show is going on really good, and we appreciate everyone who leave their comments. It's very important. Thank you so much. As you can see, we got over 70,000 subscribers. Big man, we are growing very well. So guys, thank you so much, and stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. All of my fans them, one love from Chef Ricardo on the team. And as I always say in the video, remember, I do work. I have a 9-to-5 job like you two guys. So we always have to fit in the gap. Sometimes we be late with comments and all these things, but one day we will fill all of those gaps. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Please leave a comment if you want me to make you the lentil and tomato soup. Mwah. Thank you so much, and subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and the Google Plus page, and the book is on Amazon. What a big